How to make solid color t-shirts in Printful. Once on your Printful dashboard, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and select Product Catalog. After selecting Product Catalog, you can tap on the search bar at the top and you could type in t-shirt for example sake. Then you'll select Enter and it will show you different t-shirts, or you could go over to the left-hand menu option and you could select men's clothing. And from there, you could select the type of t-shirt that you would like to create. So let's say for example sake, I were to select this one. After doing that, you'll scroll down, tap on Create Product Template. And from here, instead of uploading a design like we'll typically do, we're just going to scroll down from the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Fill. And depending on the color that you have, let's say we have white right here as you can see, so we're going to be selecting white. And you're just going to tap on Save Template, so you can see we have a plain white t-shirt now. So we're going to tap on Save Templates in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on Save Template, you'll select Add to Store. Then you'll select your store. And you're going to tap on Proceed to Mockups. After selecting Proceed to Mockups, you'll tap on Choose Mockup. And then you'll simply tap on Continue in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you can edit the product details. Then you'll tap on Continue. And from here, you can edit the pricing and the profit margin. Then you'll tap on Submit to Store in the bottom right hand corner. And you can see the product is being added to my store. Once the product has been added to your store, for example, if I were to go into Shopify and select products from the left-hand menu option, just give it a few seconds, you can see the product is being added right there. Once the product has been added, if I were to tap on Preview, and you can see the quantity also has been added, you'll be able to see the product, and you can see right there, plain white t-shirt in various sizes. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.